Hey, I'm Josh Deane, and I'm here again with cocktail champion Richard Masawi. And we're here to make another amazing cocktail called the Sex on the Beach.
Yes,
So this cocktail is a delicious drink that can be enjoyed by the beach or all year round.
All year round,
get
anytime. For this one here, it's pretty straightforward, man. We'll start off with the ice because I'm the one drinking this one here.
Yep.
I'll just use, I'll get you to do yours first.
Get my hands in there.
Yeah,
so
put your hands in there.
Couple pieces.
Yeah.
That's it?
That should be fine. Yep.
I don't mind if I would. A couple more.
Yeah, do you want a couple more?
Yeah.
You like it ice, don't you?
Yeah. I like it cold.
Nice and cold on the beach.
Cold.
Yeah, and then we'll go 30 mils for the vodka, which is just under that line.
Yep.
Right there. See how like this, that there. Yep. And then gonna give that a try as well.
Yep. Oh yeah, I see the line there.
Yeah.
Ah, 35 mil. Okay, cool.
Yep. And then we'll go 30 of this as well.
And that's the peach snaps.
Peach schnapps.
That is the snaps.
Delicious.
Yep.
I love the peach snaps.
Peach.
Peach.
You should make one of those. Another, so the same as that 30.
Yes, another one. And then we'll get the cranberry. And then we'll try to get it up to like halfway of that.
Just to the line in a
Just to the line in the way, yeah.
I'm like the most violent pourer.
I can hear the ice going. And then we get that orange juice last. You know what? I wasn't any better. Because I wanted to look more pink, I'm gonna put more cranberry in there.
Can I do the thing, is this one of those ones where you pour it on the side?
You can put it on the side as well, yeah.
Do you reckon it will separate?
If we had a bar spoon, maybe, I mean, we'll get a spoon next one.
Yep.
Well, like, that's about it, right? And then we get our oranges, which are pre-cut. I did make a little slash in the middle there. They're all the same. But, yeah.
Sweet.
Pop it there.
Oh no, I broke it. Wait, I'll do it again.
No, that's cut as well. That's
Oh, it's cut? Oh,
yeah.
thank you. You knew I was gonna do that.
Yeah, I worked with you. And then like, just to make it even like
so good.
better, I've got a little something for you.
This is gonna take me to a tropical paradise.
To a tropical paradise. And then like, let's top it up with a little...
Thank you. I didn't know that I could have a drink at home and it looked this good.
And then we'll put that on there.
Magical, thank you.
Mate, I just don't want to straight
Looking
mate.
after me like
Cheers.
that, thank you.
Anytime. Cheers, guys.
Oh wow, yeah.
Oh no.